The 41st Annual AAPI Convention began today in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania at the Marriott downtown. Esteemed physicians, health professionals, and scientists of Indian origin have gathered for this prestigious event. The convention focuses on recognizing outstanding Indian Americans who have made remarkable contributions to medicine and healthcare, with the award ceremony set to take place at the Presidential Gala. Attendees can participate in research presentations, continuing medical education programs, product theaters, and explore exhibitions featuring ethnic merchandise and jewelry. Exhibitors and corporate partners are given priority to ensure an engaging and world-class experience for all participants. Stay tuned for early clips captured by our cameraman Sachin Ravindran.